Hey there, retro games lovers! Check out this nice little pocket console I just got. It's the Pocketgo by Bittboy. It's an entry-level, handheld emulator device. It comes with this nice hard case, 32GB microUSB card, SD card reader, short microUSB cable, instruction sheet, and a set of 4 colorful replacement buttons. The first thing I notice about this is how it is incredibly small and light. It's hard to have a good grip of this thing, and I keep pressing the trigger buttons accidentally. This unit comes with a bunch of built-in classic games in advance. The Pocketgo is awesome for most 8 and 16-bit games, but the higher you go, things get slower. I had some wonderful experiences playing Nintendo, Super Nintendo, Mega Drive, Game Boy Color, and Gameboy Advanced. This console also comes with a few preloaded DOS games such as Wolfenstein 3D, Doom, Quake, and more. All of these games run well and I enjoyed playing them. There are also classic arcade machine games and others. You won't get bored, guaranteed. It's very easy to find almost any ROM online and download it to the device memory card with the included adapter. Overall, I think this is a great and inexpensive device. You can have a lot of fun with it. Stay in school!